Did you know one of the best natural medicine is not from the pharmacy, but from the kitchen? Fermented vegetables are full of probiotics, vitamins, and natural power for your immunity. Today I show you a traditional Balkan recipe, peppers stuffed with cabbage. No vinegar, no chemicals, only natural. Let's start. Now, take fresh peppers, wash them good. Cut the top, clean all the seeds. Inside the pepper, put small pinch of salt. This helps peppers stay firm and gives better taste. Now, shred the cabbage. For each kilo of cabbage, add 1 big spoon of salt. Best is kosher salt or sea salt, never table salt. Table salt has iodine and chemicals. It makes bad fermentation. Mix cabbage with your hands and squeeze until juice comes out. I used 3 cabbages, enough to stuff about 25 to 30 peppers. Take 1 pepper and fill it with the salted cabbage. Press with your fingers so no air stays inside. Do the same with all peppers, one by one. Put peppers in jar or plastic bucket, close together. If you have extra cabbage left, put it around the peppers. Now make brine. 1 spoon salt, 1 liter water. Pour brine to cover all. Press down with plate or weight so everything stays under liquid. Keep the peppers in a warm room for about a week. Cover the jar or bucket, but don't close it tight. Fermentation makes gas and the gas needs to escape. When you see bubbles, you know the fermentation is working. After 1 week, move them to a cool place. A basement or fridge is perfect. Jar, bucket, any clean containers works fine. The peppers will keep for many months. They stay crunchy, a little sour, and full of probiotics. The perfect side dish for winter meal, definitely. This is more than just food. It's traditional and natural medicine for the body. Try it in your kitchen and enjoy the taste of health. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more.